We received confirmation from Philippine Navy sources that the service has raised a request for funding and have initiated pre-procurement processes for the procurement of additional anti-submarine warfare (ASW) helicopters. The quantity varies depending on available funding, but a minimum of 2 additional helicopters are eyed, although it could be pushed up to 6 helicopters if luck is on the Philippine Navy's side. Having a total of 6 helicopters will allow a helicopter for each of the 2 new corvettes, and 4 helicopters that can be assigned with the new offshore patrol vessels. While there was a push from the US with the Sikorsky MH-60R Seahawk, it will be competing against a strong competitor in the form of the Leonardo Agustoestland AW159 Wildcat. The AW159 Wildcat is already in service with the Philippine Navy, and is said to be performing well. Also, Leonardo has renewed its commitment to the armed forces of the Philippines to provide support, after replacing its local country representative some time ago. Also, the MH-60R Seahawk are more expensive, although there is a general consensus from other global navies that the MH-60R Seahawk is superior to the AW159 Wildcat, including the Republic of Korea Navy, which operate both helicopter types. Funding request is being made, although it's possible that this can only be processed as part of fiscal year 2024. In the meantime, the Philippine Navy and DND can start pre-procurement negotiations and discussions with both Sikorsky and Leonardo, as well as the respective home country governments of both companies.